Okay, you guys, so Jurllyshe reached out to me and they asked me if I wanted to try a wig from them. This is my second time working with this company, and I said yes. This is the wig that they suggested that I tried. Now, this was a lace front wig with, it has 3 combs, adjustable strap. This is a stock wig, so I will leave all the details to this wig down below, but we're going to customize this. So what you're going to need is some bleach and your hair dye. I am using the, I think this is the Honey Blonde from Dark and Lovely. So what I am going to go do is I am going to part out the bleached area that's already on this wig, and it's only located in the front. So I'm just going to kind of separate it the best way that I can. It's kind of hard to get it perfectly separated, so I separate it the best way that I can. And I am going to just get that area out of the way because I am going to go in with bleach, and I am going to bleach the tips of this wig just so it could blend in better with the bleached area in the front. I just felt like that portion of the wig just made it incomplete, and it needed something else. It was either it needed to be higher to the roots, the bleach color, or it needed some additional color at the ends of this. So basically we're going to do a quick fast bleach job, super easy. I already have my bleach mixed. I use my Blonde Me bleach with 30 volume developer, okay? And I am just going to take it and massage it throughout the hair, highly saturate it on the ends and blend it up through the mid shaft. You don't take it all the way up to the roots because you do want it to be kind of like a balayage type of effect. It's not really a balayage because it's not blunt either. It's just bleach tips. That's what we're just gonna call it, bleach tips. So I'm just going to massage it up there, and you're gonna see me take my hand and I'm gonna feather it up so it won't be a harsh line of demarcation. You want to avoid that as well. So after you apply your bleach, you want to watch it. I sat my bleach in a plastic bag, and I did watch it for about 35-40 minutes to watch it process to see the lift on it. I wanted it to be similar to the lift that was already in the front of the hair, so you definitely have to watch it. Each person's bleach process is going to be different, so just watch it. You want to watch it because the different elements in your home, the weather outside, will affect how fast or how slow your wigs or your hair is bleaching. So do not listen to anybody else when they be like, oh, just leave it on for 40 minutes. No, like, you could probably leave yours on for 30 minutes and it'll bleach the same just because your house is hotter than mine. So you just want to keep an eye out for that. All right, so I'm going to highly saturate the ends and blend it up, and just make sure that there's enough bleach on there to make sure that everything is bleaching evenly and there's no dark spots. So after I applied the bleach, I did let it sit in a plastic bag, and so throughout the entire time of its bleaching, I do go in and just look at the hair. I'll massage it around and move it through just to make sure that everything is bleaching evenly. And I like to do that. I always mix like maybe a half a scoop of bleach, and I always add a little bit more bleach in while it is processing, because this will also help you not have to bleach double, or so I like to do that. And so I'm gonna just cover it back up, and I do this about 2 or 3 times while it's bleaching, and this is what it looks like. So it's very brassy and it's not that even. So I'm gonna take this box dye from Dark and Lovely, and I'm gonna mix both of the contents together, the developer and the color together, and I am just gonna highly saturate the ends of this hair and the hairline where the color is. I'm only applying this where the color is. If you get this on the dark portion of your hair, it will lighten it a bit. It's not going to get it to that color that's on the box, but it is going to lift it to a brown. So you want to be highly careful if you do not want that on the dark portion of the hair. You want to just make sure that you are just very careful with applying it. But I didn't mind it because I'm going to blend it up a little bit. So it's just going to be a gradient from dark to dark brown to a lighter brown. So after I applied the hair color, I did leave this on for an additional 30 minutes. I did wash it with purple shampoo and I let it air dry. But before I let it dry and everything, I did customize the front of the hairline. You guys see me do that all the time. So this is what the wig looks like. It's a little bit more even and the front of the hair matches it a little better. So yeah, that's all I wanted to do. Just make it a little bit more cohesive. And so from this point on, I am going to go ahead and use my wand curler that I got from Amazon, and I'm going to go ahead and curl it in different directions because I want waves. I don't want actual curls, okay? So I'm going to just go through this entire process, and I'm going to curl the hairline and comb it out, and then you are going to see me with the wig on, but I am not dressed and I don't have any makeup on, so I just threw it on. But the next video that you will see will be me, you know, fully dressed with the makeup on, looking good with this bomb wig. It came out really, really cute. I was actually surprised. You don't always have, when you purchase wigs, you don't always have to keep them the same way that you get them. You make them your own. You customize them to you. You make them fit your personality. And that's all you have to do. You just have to have a little bit of imagination to go along with, you know, the process. You could do this on an all black wig. You don't need to necessarily have already highlighted front. You can highlight the front of the hair on your own and do the same process that I did, okay? So I just want to come through and show you this wig, how I fully customized this wig. It was really, really cute. Again, I will have all the details to Jurllyshe and their details to this wig down below in the description box for you guys if you're definitely interested in it. And everything that I used in this video will be located in the description box as well, so you guys could go through and purchase it if you need that. I did go ahead and purchase majority of this stuff from Amazon and Sally's Beauty Supply, so everything is easy for you to get, and I will have links to everything for you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, bye best friends. On the beat.